back. Thank you so much for being here. I hope you're all having a fantastic weekend. So I am really excited because yes, again, a new subscription. Yay! So I am super pumped about this subscription, you guys. As you can see from the description below, it is called Nauti-Girl. Now, it's not what you're thinking. Naughty as in nautical. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about it. It is a seasonal subscription. It is a brand new subscription. This is their first box, and it is, you can get it as low as $45 every 3 months, which is fantastic. And it is free shipping in the US. Now they do ship worldwide, but there may be a cost for outside of the United States, but within the US, it is free shipping. And it is a quarterly subscription for water enthusiasts. These boxes are coming in hot, full of products perfect for days filled with boating, jet skiing, or just laying on the beach. Each box includes 5 to 7 full-size products which are delivered straight to your door each season. And it can be apparel, beach accessories, beauty products, decor for the boat, and more. This is the spring box, which is Vacay mode. That is the theme. And the summer box is actually coming out the first week of July. So if you sign up in June, you will receive the summer box. Now, if you sign up now, I do believe you would be getting this box right here. And let me... Okay, so yes, the spring box is still available. It is almost sold out, but it is still available. And she has given me a promo code to offer you guys, and it is new customer, and you'll get 10% off. And she did say that once the spring box is no longer available, she will host it onto the Cratejoy site, which I will also link down below for you guys. And that's when she'll start taking the orders for the summer box. The summer box will start shipping the second week of July. And that's for customers that order in June. And it's going to be focusing on eco-friendly items that are beach and ocean related. So I can't wait to dive in here. So it's a Nauti-Girl. If you love the water, the beach, the lake, whatever the case may be, this is the box for you. It is seasonal, and like I said, you can get it for as low as $45 every season with free shipping, and that code, new customer, will get you 10% off your first box, so that is awesome. But I'm going to stop talking, and we're going to get in here, and we're going to see just how awesome this box is. I do want to say thank you to Stephanie. She is the owner and curator of this box. She did send this to me to share and to review for her and share with you guys. So I cannot wait. Actually, what I showed you was the back because my address is on the front. So let me cut this right here and pop this bad boy open. Okay. Oh! Okay. Woo! Okay. So this is what we see when we open it. Well, Nauti-Girl. And then here we have some tissue paper. This is treasure map. This is actually, that is cute. It says treasure map, but this is actually what tells us about the products in the box. Cute. All right, here we go. Oh, I see lots of goodies. Yay. All right. I'm excited. All right, so the first thing here okay, I can already see a couple of these items are gonna have some humor to them, and I think that is fantastic. I am already like so, I love this box. I thought we had an ice pack, like to stick in the cooler. Nope. It's a Hydro Flask. It's an ice pack flask. No one will ever suspect this ordinary looking ice pack secret flask is really the secret to your summer fun, hiding 14 ounces of your favorite beverage right in plain sight. This hidden flask will look just like a regular ice pack. That is awesome. Don't waste money on overpriced drinks. Save your dough, daddy-o. This is awesome. My husband is gonna love this. All right, so check for item number 1. Awesome. And then it says, let's see. Ooh, I like this. This is perfect for the beach. Yes. Nautical trucker hat. This hat is perfect for any beach day. Very soft distressed trucker hat with Velcro in the back to adjust the size. Be happy, be sassy. Because I love at the beach to kind of sometimes pull my hair back and like in a ponytail through a hat. And it says, mermaid hair, don't care. That is so cute. I love that so much. Awesome. All right. And then we have Brazilian Beach. It's organic Brazilian Beach body scrub. Right here. Looks pretty. This Brazilian recipe is super moisturizing with shea and cocoa butter, coconut oil, jojoba oil, vitamin E oil, with added beach sand from Brazil, tea tree oil, macadamia oil, and lime, and grapefruit infused vodka. This will leave your body glowing and ready for the beach. With anti-aging properties, it is safe to use on your entire body and face. The scent is the most popular Vanilla Ocean, a very original scent everyone loves. It smells fabulous. And that's what it looks like up close. But it's weird because I can smell the vanilla, but I also smell like almost like a slushy type drink mixed with vanilla, mixed with a cocktail and salty ocean air. That smells fantastic. I think that's the best way I can describe it. Just imagine all of that mixed together, and that's what this smells like. It smells amazing. I cannot wait to use that. Yeah. All right. Spiker cup holder. Oh, I am so loving this. All right. Use these spiked cup holders for your day at the beach. Keep your personal belongings out of the sand. Opening at the top is large enough to hold a can covered with a koozie, a Yeti tumbler, a 16-ounce tumbler, or any size bottle. Also can be used to hold your car keys, phone, iPod, and more. A must-have for every beach-loving member of your family. And these do really come in handy. These are awesome. And I needed a new one, and this one is awesome. Aloha beaches. I love it. Yes. All right, looks like we have 2 more items. We have a makeup pouch. A cute saying adorns this makeup pouch that is small enough to toss in your tote bag to help keep your small necessities in one place. It is durable enough to carry beauty products, makeup, keys, a phone, contact lenses, cash, or any other products you may need to keep organized. And this is so cute. And it's like leathery feeling, so you know you don't have to worry about if it were to get wet. It's got pineapples on it, which I love because I love pineapples. Drop it like it's hot. I am loving this. This is so cute. And it's got like a little handle here. And then it has the tag or the zipper. And there's some tissue paper in there. You open it up and inside even feels like wetsuit material almost. That is awesome. This is like the perfect little bag for the beach. So this is so cute. It's teal. It has pineapple. All right, we have one more item, and I'm so excited for this because I can see exactly what it is. I do not have one of these, and I was thinking about getting one from FabFitFun, and now I don't have to. This is a round beach towel. Round beach towels are the newest trend in beach accessories. This soft beach towel is 60 inches wide and made of thick and durable 100% cotton material, perfect for laying out in the sun. Yes, ma'am. And this one looks so gorgeous. See the design there, but you see these colors and then the tassel, and it feels so soft. I'm so excited. I'm gonna take this and my Aloha beaches and my mermaid hair, don't care because they all match, and the flask. Y'all, this is just, oh look, it's so cute. My necklace got stuck on it. This box did not disappoint at all. This box is awesome. Like I said, I will leave a link down below if you would like to sign up, and the code is new customer to get you 10% off your first box. This box is still available. So if you liked this, head on over, sign up, get this box. Then in July, the summer box will be coming out. I don't know what else to say, you guys. I think this speaks for itself. This is fantastic. I love it. All right. Don't forget, we do have our 2,000 subscriber giveaway going on. So if you have not checked that out yet, please head over and do. The link will be down below. If you are new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you. We do all kinds of unboxings. Everything. I'm so pumped about this box. I just loved it. It was awesome. So thank you, Nauti-Girl Box, Stephanie, for sending this to me. I do so appreciate it. This was absolutely amazing. Again, guys, the link will be below as well as that coupon code. So head over, check it out, grab this box while you can, and get ready for the summer box. I hope you have a fantastic weekend, and I will talk with you at the next one. Bye.